2006 Hummer H3. I've noticed recently that when I'm opening the hood, it's getting harder to open from the closed position all the way to the open position. But once it's in the fully open position, it stays in place. And if you observe, the passenger side hood strut is out of its ball and it is frozen in extended position. It didn't survive the winter season. So let's replace the hood strut on the passenger side. I bought the replacement part from Rock Auto, Stabilis brand. This is not a sponsor, but Stabilis is the majority original equipment for a lot of vehicles. Now before we replace it, let's remember or take note of the orientation of the old hood strut. So going to the top of the hood is the cylinder, and going to the bottom of the hood to the base is the stem. So when we replace this, we'll put it the same orientation, we're going to remove it. Now, assuming that this is still in place, we're just going to use a flathead screwdriver to raise up the E-clip to take it out of the ball. So let me just do a quick demonstration for you so you know what to do. So slide it out, cut. So take two. Slide a flathead screwdriver underneath the E-clip and twist it open to release it from the ball if it is still connected to the ball. So just slide it in and be careful, don't scratch yourself like I did, and then release it like that. So it should open. So if this was in there, you should be able to take it out. So we'll do that on the other side. So on this side, just slide it underneath again the E-clip and open it up. Once it opens, be careful, can't stress that enough. There. So when it opens up, it releases the ball from the socket. Now let's get our replacement hood strut. Here's a side-by-side comparison of the old hood strut and the new hood strut. Now on observation, the old hood strut seems to be slightly longer. Oh well. Alright, let's install the new hood strut. Now to install, don't forget the orientation that we have to install it. The damper shock goes towards the hood and the stem goes to the base of the engine bay. Now to install this, you don't really need to release the E-clip anymore. You just have to slide in it through the ball. There you go. Now this might be a challenge because it is still in the expanded position. So you might have to push up the hood to align it on the ball. So you push it up with your other hand and just align it and slide it in. There you go. You heard it snap. And we're done. Now let's open the hood with the new passenger hood strut. So this time we just have to push it just a little bit, and as you can see, it opens all the way up. And that is how to install passenger hood strut on this 2006 Hummer H3. If you have to do the driver side as well, just do the same procedure on the driver side. Thank you for watching.